everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up a YouTube channel on 2024. On your browser, type www.youtube.com. Click on Sign in the top right. Sign in to your Google account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. Upload a picture for your channel. Next, choose whether you want to use your name or create a custom name for your channel, and fill the handle section as well. Then click on the Create Channel option. It will take you to the channel homepage. Click on Customize Channel option. You will get 3 options next, including layout, branding, and basic info. Complete the layout section by uploading the layout for your channel. Next, complete your channel branding, and at last upload your channel basic information. Once your channel is set up, you can start uploading videos, writing channel descriptions, and adding links to your social media accounts. And that's how you can set up a YouTube channel in 2024. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who loves sharing videos, starting a YouTube channel is a great way to connect with others. Thanks for watching.